In this video, I will share with you how to add a visitors counter in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me, you have lots of different websites and you're looking for a quick tip to easily differentiate between WordPress websites and other websites built using Hostinger website builder, just look to this little icon next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is a Hostinger website builder icon. Now click on edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder. And first go to where you want to add your website visitors counter. I will add it in this footer section. Now click on add element, scroll down to the bottom of this list and select embed code. Drag and drop it here, click on enter code, delete this default code like that. And now go to this website called commonninja.com. Click on start creating and here search for counter and you will see the tool called visitor counter. Click on it. First, this is a preview of the website visitor counter that we will add in Hostinger website builder. You can click on try for free. Now you can edit the counter tool title and also the description from here. And from the count by, you can count by the time frames, for example, today, yesterday, this week, and so on, or by countries. I will go with by time frames, or yes, by time frames. Click on publish. And here, I think to get your widgets embed code, please save your changes first. Okay, I will save the widget. Now I need to sign up for a free account. You can do it with your Google account. A confirmation link has been sent to your email address. After confirming your account, click on go back to Common Ninja and save changes. And then hit publish. Here, select this code, copy this code like that, or just hit this little icon on the side, code copied, and go back to Hostinger builder and paste it here. Click on embed code and save your changes. Let's view my website live, and this is my new website visitors counter. As you can see, today I got 4 visits. I think all those visits are from me. And this is the other time frames data. With time, these zeros will be turned to positive numbers. And this is how to add a website visitors counter in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.